easy go.
Hey guys, Orion Tech Tips here with another PC build. Alright, so I have not done a PC build in a little while. I meant to do it last week, but then I just forgot about it, so, you know, yeah. So today is a $3,000 build. However, full disclosure, if you're just looking to like stream, game, maybe edit some vacation videos, this is not the PC for you. I would maybe go to my last $900 PC build, because that would be a better choice for you. Okay, anyway, who is this for? So this is for, I guess, I'm just doing it for the fun, but if you, I guess, if someone really wants to build it, then okay, it's a custom build, customize it however you want, but $3,000, that's 4K, 144 Hz, any title, even the most demanding, 8K, 10K video editing, so yeah, expensive. And also, another thing is this is USD, so keep that in mind. Okay, so starting off with the CPU, we have the only i9-9900K, so I would recommend this over the Threadripper because you can actually get like 5 gigahertz. Some people have even gotten 5.2 gigahertz. That is hard, I will say, but 5 gigahertz should be achievable by most people with the right cooler, which this does have. So the CPU right now costs $485, and we're going to pair that with the I guess for the CPU cooler, we're going to go with the Kraken X72 liquid CPU cooler, and this is this goes for $168. This can go up to 200 RPM, and it is between 21-36 decibels. Yeah, basically. It's compatible with AM4 all the way down to AM2. I do not know why you would want that though. TR4 and then LGA 2066, which is of course Intel, and then LGA 1150, which is older variants. Okay, anyway, 360mm cooling fans. So yeah, you're covered with that. 5 gigahertz is achievable with that. Anyway, for the motherboard, we're going to go with the Gigabyte Z390 ATX LGA 1151, which is the socket type. Alright, so it has 4 RAM slots up to 64 gigs, which is more than enough. If you do want 128 gigs, you wouldn't have to spend much more on a motherboard. If you want that, keep in mind 128 gigabytes is a lot, like, well, a lot for most people, and it's expensive. Okay, moving on, we got M2 slots, support for Crossfire and SLI, and yeah, I guess I don't really know what else. So 3M.2, 4 memory slots, supports up to DDR4 4133. I don't think anyone would need that. 3 PCIe slots. Anyway, I will have the link for this and all the parts in the description down below. So if you have any more questions about this this part or any other parts, then just click the links and all the parts will be there. Okay, anyway, for the RAM, we're going to go with 32 gigabytes Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro, 2 16 gig sticks, 3000 megahertz. If you want 64, since this is 2 gigs, just buy 2 of these and then boom, you have 64 gigs, 3000 megahertz RAM. The motherboard, I meant to say, it goes for $260. The RAM goes for $175. Yeah, really not much to say about the RAM. RGB RAM, 32 gigs, 216, 3000. Yeah, That's about it. Okay, anyway, moving on to storage, we have 4 terabyte. We have 4 mass storage. We have a 4 terabyte Seagate Barracuda, and that is a 3.5-inch form factor. And then for the I guess SSD, which is what you will store everything, well, all of your, I guess, editing, games that you play the most, and of course Windows. We're going to go with the Samsung 970 EVO 1 terabyte 2280 solid state drive. Alright, so this has a 1024 cache speed, which is really fast, and it can hold that. Like, you would be surprised how long it can actually hold that speed for. It's really good. It's not burst performance, it can actually hold that speed. So yeah, very fast SSD. And yeah, I don't, it's an M.2, any other questions, click the link below, because yeah, I don't want to spend all day talking about one part. Okay, for the graphics card, again, there's really only one. Well, actually no, there's 2 choices. So the one I went for is the Asus GeForce RTX 2080 Ti, 11 gigs GDDR6, 2 8-pin connectors. And the other option that you could go for is the Titan RTX. However, I believe that is, I don't know the exact speed differences. I know that's faster. I don't know the exact percentage. However, for this build, if you have a $3,000 budget, it would be hard to squeeze that in without making some serious compromises. Like, serious compromises. Everything would have to go. Actually, I'm not even sure. How much is the RTX Titan? Sorry. I should know this stuff. RTX Titan. It is Titan V is $3,000. $2,500. Yeah, not even possible. My bad. I thought it would be like I guess $1,500 or $1,600. But yeah, no, not possible for this. Okay, so yeah, up your budget by, I guess, you would have to up your budget by maybe $5,000, $4,000 if you squeeze it in. Alright, anyway, so with the case and power supply, those are the last 2 things. Keep in mind, these are very, very personal preferences, so I am not expecting you to go with my choices, but this is just what I put in the build. So the GPU price, I will say, it is $12.79. I'm just going back to prices. The 4 terabyte hard drive about 98, and then 220 for the 218 for the SSD. Okay, anyway, for our case, I went with the NZXT H700i mid-tower case. I went with the black and blue variant, but just do whatever you want. Like, it doesn't really matter. So this goes for $180. Great case, easy to build in, looks very nice. 5 external drive bays. Yeah. It has USB 3.0, all the stuff. Side panel, yes. Alright. The Renasi for the power supply, the case is $180 for, okay, and for the power supply we have the Seasonic Force Platinum Premium 850 watt plus Platinum fully modular ATX power supply. That was a mouthful. And 850 watts, more than enough, fully modular. This build is about 480 watts. So yeah, you can easily, you can even do a 650 watt. but I just gave you the 850 because it fits in the budget and you can do a ton of upgrades, as many upgrades as you feel like. Okay, anyway, that said, that's going to do it with the video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video. Until next time, Orion Tech Tips here. Peace out.